Get ready to explore the 11 top dirty and gross side hustles for 2024 that no one is discussing. These gritty gigs might not be glamorous, but they can offer surprising financial rewards for those willing to roll up their sleeves. From the bizarre to the downright unpleasant, we'll uncover these unique options that could change your financial game. Let's jump in. Number 11. Fecal matter disposal technician. Ranking at number 11, the fecal matter disposal technician is a crucial yet often unappreciated role in waste management. This job involves the safe and sanitary removal of human waste, ensuring public health and environmental safety. Technicians are equipped with specialized tools and protective gear, making them essential in maintaining hygiene in various settings, from residential areas to large events. While it may not be the most glamorous side hustle, it offers steady demand and decent pay. Compared to higher-ranked jobs, it requires less specialized training, but still plays a vital role in community health and sanitation. Number 10. Industrial waste management. At number 10, industrial waste management is a vital, yet often overlooked side hustle that focuses on the disposal and recycling of hazardous materials produced by factories and manufacturing plants. This role requires knowledge of environmental regulations and safety protocols, making it essential for protecting both workers and the ecosystem. Technicians in this field manage waste streams, ensuring proper treatment and disposal. While it offers a respectable income and job stability, it ranks lower than higher-tier options due to the demanding nature of the work and the need for specialized training, which can deter some potential workers. Number 9. Slaughterhouse worker ranking. At number 9, the slaughterhouse worker plays a critical role in the meat production industry. This job involves the humane processing of livestock, ensuring that meat is prepared safely and efficiently. Workers are trained in various techniques, from stunning animals to butchering, and must adhere to strict health and safety regulations. While it offers competitive pay and job security, the emotionally and physically demanding nature of the work places it lower on the list. Compared to higher-ranked side hustles, it requires a strong stomach and resilience, making it less appealing to many despite its essential contribution to food supply. Number 8. Hazardous waste disposal worker. At number 8, the hazardous waste disposal worker is essential for managing and disposing of toxic materials safely. This role involves handling substances like chemicals, batteries, and medical waste, requiring specialized training and protective gear to prevent exposure to harmful agents. Workers are responsible for ensuring compliance with environmental regulations, making their job critical for public health and safety. While it offers good pay and job stability, the high-risk nature of the work places it lower on the list. Compared to higher-ranked positions, it demands a greater focus on safety protocols, which can be daunting for many potential workers. Number 7. Crime Scene Cleanup Crew ranking. At number 7, the Crime Scene Cleanup Crew specializes in restoring locations after traumatic events, such as accidents or violent crimes. This job requires a strong stomach and emotional resilience as workers deal with hazardous materials, biohazards, and the aftermath of distressing situations. Equipped with specialized cleaning agents and protective gear, these professionals ensure that scenes are sanitized and safe for future use. While it offers lucrative pay and a unique niche, the emotional toll and irregular hours place it lower on the list. Compared to higher-ranked jobs, it demands a unique blend of physical and psychological fortitude. Number 6. Animal Waste Removal Service. At number 6, the Animal Waste Removal Service caters to pet owners and businesses by providing a much-needed solution for cleaning up after animals. This job involves the removal and disposal of pet waste from yards, parks, and commercial properties, ensuring a clean and hygienic environment. Workers often use specialized tools and eco-friendly disposal methods, making it a responsible choice for animal lovers. While it offers flexible hours and decent pay, it ranks lower due to the physical nature of the work and potential for unpleasant odors. Compared to higher-ranked options, it requires less specialized training, but still demands dedication. Number 5. Porta Potty Cleaner, ranking at number 5. the porta potty cleaner is an essential role in maintaining sanitation at outdoor events and construction sites. This job involves the thorough cleaning and servicing of portable toilets, ensuring they are hygienic and functional for users. Workers utilize specialized equipment and eco-friendly cleaning solutions to tackle unpleasant odors and waste. While it offers steady work and competitive pay, the job's nature can be off-putting for many. Compared to higher-ranked positions, it requires less technical skill but demands a strong work ethic and resilience to handle challenging environments, making it a unique yet vital side hustle. Number 4. Pest Control Technician. At number 4, the Pest Control Technician plays a crucial role in maintaining homes and businesses by eliminating unwanted pests. This job involves identifying infestations, applying treatments, and educating clients on prevention methods. Technicians use a variety of tools and eco-friendly pesticides, making it a responsible choice for environmentally conscious consumers. While it offers good pay and job stability, the work can be physically demanding and requires a keen understanding of pest behavior. Compared to higher-ranked positions, it involves more technical knowledge and customer interaction, making it a rewarding yet challenging side hustle for those who enjoy problem solving. Number 3. Mold Remediation Worker. Ranking at number 3, the mold remediation worker specializes in identifying and removing mold from residential and commercial properties. This role is critical for ensuring indoor air quality and preventing health issues related to mold exposure. Workers are trained to assess damage, contain affected areas, and use specialized equipment to safely eliminate mold spores. The job offers competitive pay and the satisfaction of improving living conditions for clients. Compared to higher-ranked positions, it requires a blend of technical skills and safety awareness, making it a rewarding yet demanding side hustle for those who thrive in hands-on environments. Number 2. Roadkill Removal Specialist. At number 2, the Roadkill Removal Specialist plays a vital role in maintaining public safety and environmental cleanliness by removing deceased animals from roadways. This job requires a strong stomach and a commitment to keeping roads safe for drivers and wildlife alike. Specialists are equipped with the necessary tools and protective gear to handle various sizes of animals, ensuring proper disposal and minimizing hazards. While it offers decent pay and flexible hours, the job's nature can be off-putting. Compared to the top-ranked position, it demands less technical skill but requires a high level of physical endurance and emotional resilience. Number 1. Sewage Cleanup Technician. Ranking at number 1, the Sewage Cleanup Technician is at the forefront of maintaining public health and safety by addressing hazardous sewage spills and backups. This role involves the meticulous removal and sanitation of contaminated areas, requiring specialized training and protective equipment to handle toxic waste safely. Technicians are essential in preventing health risks associated with sewage exposure, making their work critical in both residential and commercial settings. While it offers high pay and job security, the physically demanding and unpleasant nature of the job sets it apart. Compared to other roles, it combines technical skill with a strong commitment to community health. In this video, we explored the top 11 dirty and gross side hustles no one is talking about for 2024. From the essential sewage cleanup technician at number 1 to the often overlooked fecal matter disposal technician at number 11. Each role, while not glamorous, offers unique opportunities for those willing to embrace the challenges. Whether it's managing hazardous waste or cleaning up after animals, these jobs play a crucial role in maintaining public health and safety. If you're intrigued by these unconventional paths, dive deeper into the world of dirty side hustles and consider how they might fit into your own journey.